There is something inside your body powerful enough to create life itself. It is tiny yet strong enough to build a human being from nothing. Yet most men waste this power every single day. Then they wonder why their energy is dead. Their confidence is low and their life feels completely stuck. You wake up tired even after sleeping for 8 hours. Your focus is weak. Your mind feels like a fog. You skip the gym easily. Studying feels heavy. Your ambition feels far away. You start calling yourself lazy or unmotivated. But the truth is simpler. You are not lazy, you are empty. Cheap pleasure is winning, and your power is quietly leaving your body. Let's talk about reality, not fantasy. Semen is not just a fluid. Your body works extremely hard to create it. It takes the best nutrients, minerals, and proteins from your blood to make it. When you release it constantly for pleasure, your body shifts into recovery mode. You are using all your energy just to repair yourself. When you retain, your body shifts back into building mode. Then there is the dopamine trap. Adult content tricks your brain. Your brain thinks you achieved something huge even though you just sat in a chair. The pleasure lasts seconds, but the crash lasts for days. Guilt follows, laziness follows. Real work feels boring because your brain is tired. Retention fixes this. Suddenly, working hard for your future feels good again. Within weeks, your hormones change. Testosterone isn't just about muscles. It controls your confidence, your eye contact, and your calmness. You stop feeling nervous and scattered. You feel grounded and sharp. This is not fake masculinity. This is real control. Here's the 90-day reality. The first 7 days are the hardest. Your brain will scream for that cheap dopamine hit. Most men fail here. From day 7 to day 30 comes the flatline. You might feel numb or empty. This is not failure. This is your brain resetting itself. Music. From day 30 to 60, the lights turn back on and your focus returns. People start respecting you more. By day 90, your identity changes. You stop chasing pleasure and you start loving discipline. The great men of history understood this. They did not waste their energy. They used it for war, art, and success. Energy belongs in your goals, not in a tissue. Give yourself 90 days. You have wasted years on scrolling and distraction without asking why. Can you give your future self just 3 months of discipline? The power you are looking for is already inside you. Stop wasting it. Comment day 1 if you are starting today.